Welcome, in front of me is a UMIDIGI S3 Pro, and today I'll show you how to enable and also set up the portable hotspot. And to get started, let's pull down the notification panel, extend it, and then find the hotspot toggle, which should be somewhere here. If it's not, then we can just tap on this pencil icon right here and simply add it ourselves. As you can see, there it is. So hold it, there we go, and then drag it over. Go back, and we should have the toggle right now here. So now let's hold the toggle. This will take us to the settings where we can customize it before we actually enable it. So tap on Wi-Fi Hotspot, and I would advise you to start with the password because that is the most random thing you'll have here. Remove this mumbo jumbo right here and set your own. Now it needs to have 8 characters in length, at which point you can just tap on OK and save it. Now we also have Hotspot Name, which will determine, well, how your Wi-Fi is visible in the list. So right now it's S3 Pro, but you can change it to any kind of name that you want to. And then we also have Advanced, which has a couple additional options, things like turn off hotspot automatically. I would recommend to keep that on. It's a fairly nifty feature. If you forget about the hotspot, it will just stay on. With this, it's just gonna disable after several minutes of inactivity, which is really nice. Then we also have the AP band. Now on this device we have the amazing ability to actually set both of them instead of just one. Now this might consume a little bit more battery, but in general, the 5 GHz will be way better than the 2.4, with the downside of not every device actually being able to use it. So by enabling both of them, you kind of remove the iffiness of this. So if your device doesn't support it, you still have the 2.4 and you don't have to go back into the settings and fiddle with them. You just have the 2.4 enabled already. But if your device supports 5, then it will automatically connect to the 5 instead of 2.4. So it's basically a win-win here. And then we have a maximum number of connected users at a time. So by default it looks to be 6. I would consider this to be a little bit too high, so we can change it to something more respectable like 2. And from there, once you have changed all that you want, simply go back, you can leave it, and now all you need to do is press on the toggle to enable it at any time you want to use it. And like we said before, if you didn't disable the turn off automatically, then you don't have to worry about it. It will turn off automatically when it's not being used. But if you decided to turn it off, you will have to go back to the notifications and tap on it again to actually turn it off. Otherwise, Wi-Fi will not be accessible because Hotspot uses Wi-Fi to actually broadcast a signal. So that is basically how you would set it up, enable and also disable it. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.